What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Robin. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. But in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys this really quick and easy ponytail tutorial. This is one of my favorite go-to hairstyles because 1, I could do it myself. 2, it's easy. 3, it's super fast, especially if you have somewhere to go, if you're going out to the club, brunch, dinner, a date, school, wherever, you name it, you could wear this ponytail. So yeah, this is actually a wig that I had and I just took it off the tracks and turned it into a ponytail. I did the wraparound method, as you will see in the video, and I just find that this is the best method. Oftentimes when I do the little bun method, my bun peeks through and that really grinds my gear. You could wear it in the back if you want to, or you could wear it on the other side, but this is my cute side if we're being honest. So I just wear the ponytail on the front like this. But if you want to see how I achieve this really quick and easy style, then keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe to join the family. So as you can see, I just start with a middle part. It's not the straightest, but I don't really care. And then I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair. I'm just using a spray bottle with warm water in it. And just spraying the roots. And I love to do this style, especially like when I'm not in the mood to wash my hair or anything like that and I need a quick style to go out somewhere. I love to do this style. Okay, so now that I have the hair with gel, I just brushing it down with a really hard bristle brush. I got this at the Dollar Tree actually, so any of those like wooden hard brushes, anything that could like get your hair down slick, I would recommend that. And then don't forget the back of your edges and the nape of your neck. You also need to give some love to that because we don't want to have like dry neck back or dry back of the neck. And now I'm gonna go in with my hair tie. I just use this really big elastic that I got at Target. I believe it's from the brand Goody. And I'm just gonna put my hair into a ponytail. And then once I do that, I like to go ahead and add more gel because it's very important that you get the hair as smooth as possible, because once it dries, whatever was not gelled down, I find that it tends to stick up and that's not cute. So just apply all that gel just to kind of hold it in place. Perfect. Works for my hair. If you need to take different steps to actually get your hair slicked back like that, you do what you need to do, but this is what works for me, especially like for a quick slick back. I'm gonna take this hair tie right here and just get all the little extras that might have been missed the first time. And I don't do this one too tight because I'm not trying to get a headache. So I just loop that through just to slick back additionally. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get into the ponytail. So I just like to finger detangle. And you're just gonna braid your hair down. Try to do it as tight and as flat as possible. Even though the bundles will cover it, you still want to make sure. Okay, and then for the hair, I'm just using this old like bundles that I had. Is from Beauty Forever, and it's curly hair, so it's gonna like match the texture of my hair, if that makes sense. And the way I secure it, I'm gonna do the wrap method around the ponytail, and I've seen people use like glue, but I'm the type of person like I'll put a hairstyle in today, go out, and then when I get home I need to take it out because I like to sleep with my hair just out under the bonnet. So I secure it using a hair tie. So I just take a section of the bundle and I take the hair tie and I like loop it through to make like a knot like this, so that way I could secure this end to the ponytail. So I just go ahead, I'm gonna attach it to the ponytail. And you don't want to start the ponytail like all the way down here because the bundles are going to like cover it, and we want to make sure that you have enough hair to, you know, wrap around the ponytail to make sure the ponytail is nice and thick. So I'm just gonna wrap this around. You could use a hairpin if you'd like, but I find that using like bobby pins is not as secure as like the hair tie method, and sometimes bobby pins be giving me a headache. And then I just begin wrapping. So you're gonna take the bundle and wrap it around the braid. I kind of wrap like 2 or 3 times before like I move up. So I wrap, wrap, and then move up, wrap, wrap, then move up a little bit. And you don't want to move up too far because like I said, you want your ponytail to be nice and full, especially because you're using 2 bundles. So you just want to go ahead and do that until you reach the end of this bundle. To the end of the bundle, this is the way I secure it. Like I said, I don't use bobby pins because they hurt and I don't think they secure as much. I just take that piece and I go and wrap it around the actual like ponytail, like the part that's in the hair tie, and I just wrap it like that to secure it. And then here's like the start of the ponytail, and this is only 1 bundle. And attach my second bundle. I don't use the hair tie to attach it again because like I did the first part of the ponytail, I'm just gonna section off a piece and I'm going to actually wrap this small piece around the ponytail itself again like I did before. Nice and secure. And then I'm gonna take my bundle like this, and then I'm just gonna begin wrapping it where I left off on the previous part. Now that I have the whole ponytail secured and I got to the end, I'm just gonna do what I did before and just wrap it around the ponytail. Okay, and then after you wrap it around, there you have it. You have your nice little ponytail. And so then what I want to do, or what I like to do, because I need to make sure, you know, you want this ponytail to look like it's coming out of your scalp, you're gonna go ahead and take 2 pieces, one from the right side and then one from the left, and I'm just gonna spray it with water a little bit. Use my brush just to try to make it as smooth as possible, and then wrap it around the ponytail. And then take a piece from this side, wet it a little bit, take my brush, and wrap it around the ponytail. And that way it just forms a band around the ponytail to kind of blend it in and make it look as if it is a real ponytail. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add water to this actual ponytail to kind of tame it down a little bit. Brush it out. So after I finish putting in the ponytail, I'm gonna move on to my edges. I'm not really like an expert in the edges department, so if you were looking for an edges tutorial, I'm sorry, this is not it, but I just like to comb them out forward. I already did this one and I just like swoop them back, I guess. And I'm just gonna add gel to it. I usually use Got2b glue, like if I go in out and I know it's gonna be a crazy night, just to make sure my edges stay in place. But I'm not really going anywhere. Kinda somehow, kinda whatever, laid my edges. I really can't be bothered with it anymore. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it down just to make sure everything stays in place. And while that dries, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face makeup. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back with the finished look. I laid my hair down, my edges are done. Everything is slick and in place. The ponytail is looking nice and fresh. And I just did a quick beat on my face. And yeah, so this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the description box if you guys tried this style or how you feel about it. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Leave a comment, leave a like, show some love, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.